Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ara. And I'm Emmanuel, or the Cause Sisters. Magandang umaga at magandang araw po sa inyo. And it's another day and another mini vlog na naman po kami. This time pala ay papunta na kami ni ate sa school. Dahil malapit lang ang bahay namin at everyday kami naglalakad papunta school. Ay Diyos ko po, ang kabigat ang bag ko. Sarap itapon. And fast forward, we are here in the house at may maingay sa labas. It's ate classmate and they want to play but mommy don't allow because it's hot outside. And fast forward, dinner time, umalis pala kami because our two uncles will celebrate their birthday today. At may pa-dinner pala sila at nasama kami. They arrived at nagbow na kami because that's respect. And we say happy birthday and hug them. And we started to eat and ate get her favorite chapchet. At dumating na yung pinakahihitay ko. Mag-blow ng cake at slice. Siyempre, kantahan muna namin ang birthday celebrant. But first, we arrange the candle muna. Dahil dalawa sila, di po sila mag-blow ng candle. O diba, ang saya nila parang bata lang. Daig pa kami nila ate. Bigla at nag-smile si ate because they have same birth month and we also sing happy birthday to ate. Thank you so much Samson for the cake and the greetings. I love you po. And we give one by one their gift. Happy birthday Samson, sana po napasaya po namin kayo. More birthdays to come and have a good health always. And we start to slice the cake and give them one by one. But sabi ng uncle namin he will pay daw. At tinanggap namin yung pera with two hands kasi respect yun sa Korea. O diba, ganado kami mag-slice ng cake. Busog na at nagkapera pa. O diba, ang babait ng Korean uncle namin. And we also give strawberry. Kain po ng madami. And fast forward, prepare Korean food. Dito sa bahay para sa dinner namin. Request namin ni Yumi. Sausage with sweet ketchup na may mga vegetables. At spicy stir-fry na Korean food. At mekos-mekos, mga utan ninyo, maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi po nakapag-follow, please follow the Cause Sister po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!